Well, she mistakes of killing everybody, fuck everybody, wanting affiliated with the squad and everything that it entails and all sorts of designs of grandeur. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna say what I was gonna say. It ain't for the people. It ain't for the people. It ain't for the people. I ain't for the people. I ain't for the fucking people, nigga. You heard my song. If you don't like it, raise your hand. Step forward. For my line, please. Lord forgive this bitch niggas. These motherfuckers keep trying. That's facts. That's Kinko facts. That's facts and shit facts.
Hey, put your leg down right quick. no, keep both of them down, man. keep.
Hold on, man. I can't recline like that. Sands are the devil. You can keep those. My God. Ice. No ice.
Yeah.
This is ice. This hand, this is ice. This hand is ice. It's ice cold. This hand is getting out. Create magic in this bitch. Niggas ain't got it. It's the X factor. That's what separates the fucking the engineers from the niggas who make shit happen with that shit, nigga. How much you fucking got, nigga? You need to have a whole fucking stack of fucking things, nigga. It's a whole fucking stack of fucking little Xbox One looking at original Xbox looking ass consoles with all sorts of buttons and knobs and shit that you probably don't even never twist, nigga. She don't twist them bitches. I got settings on my computer for that, nigga. I don't know you do too, nigga. Secrets out, bitch. See that booth right there, motherfucker? That booth over there, motherfucker, that was built with motherfucking hands. These $1 million hands I previously discussed with your ass, nigga. Nigga, these hands. There's a couple more that look like it. Nigga, shit. Built this bitch from the ground up, nigga, and it's swagging right now, nigga. My mixes right now, I know why the fuck my mixes, nigga. Take that to the bank, nigga. Niggas been out here 15, 25 years doing this shit, nigga. I've been doing this shit fucking a year and some change, nigga. And I'm out here, nigga, swagging the tracks, nigga. It's this. I've been on my shit all 365, nigga. Then some, nigga. This is my strong. This is where the ideas happen, nigga. I got so many of them these days and shit, nigga. I write these motherfuckers down, bro. Write them down, throw them right on the desk, nigga. Put them over there.